How's it going, guys? Stefan is here and you're watching SYG Tech. So Apple just released another software update a couple of days ago. So we have the iOS 15.1, previously iOS 15. So let me know in the comments down below how has been the iPhone 8 with the iOS 15. I already did a couple of videos already on this device. So make sure to check it in the end of today's video. But software update, this software update doesn't bring any new features but fixes some problems with some iOS 13 users. So let me know in the comments down below if this is the case with your iPhone 13 or iPhone 12. So let me show you right now. So as you can see, we have the iOS 15.1. I already updated this device. The software update was about 500 megabytes, as you can see here. Nothing special, but if you can see properly, iOS 15.1 includes bug fixes with some iOS 13 devices. So basically, some people was complaining that they cannot unlock their iPhone 13 with the Apple Watch. So let me know if this is the case, if you had any issues, any problems with your device. Personally, I think this is due to the bugs. Obviously, this is normal. When you update to the latest version of the iOS, you had some issues and problems. But on all the devices, this software update was brilliant. I didn't see any slowdowns, any problems on my iPhone 6s, AC first generation, 7 Plus, and so on. So let me know in the comments down below if you had any problems with your device, especially with the iPhone 8. So yeah, this is just quick update about the iOS 15.1. So if you have an iPhone 13, let me know in the comments down below. Leave your thoughts. And yeah, if you enjoy this type of videos, content about iPhone, iOS news, software updates, and speed tests, let me know in the comments down below. I'll make sure that I'm gonna do a couple of videos for you guys. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.